Komal Aziz is one of the youngest actors in the Pakistani drama industry who looks very innocent and decent. She had a passion for acting since childhood, which is why she stepped into the world of showbiz and made a name for herself through her brilliant work. Komal Aziz likes to be very active on social media. She is always active on her official Instagram account, where she answers questions from her fans instantly and also shares her photos with her fans on the account. As well as being a famous actress, Komal Aziz is also a beautiful model who is often seen doing photo shoots for famous clothing brands. And a few years ago, she launched a channel on YouTube where she shares her daily routine videos. It's been a while since she has been in the showbiz industry, due to which it is rarely seen in dramas, but when it is seen in dramas, people try to follow them on Instagram. Pakistani actress Komal Aziz also went to Turkey for a holiday, where she shared her beautiful photos with fans. But when a boy saw her picture and commented that when a Pakistani actor goes abroad, why does her dressing turn into Western clothes? Komal wrote in response, "When I go abroad, I feel much safer in Western clothes." In short, she wrote Mera Mumarsath, Apko Anki Fakar Kanake Zarurat Nai Hai. Read the actual comment at the end of this article. What did Komal answer to this boy?